Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Outlook mail settings. And in this video, I will show you how to simply set up auto reply to every mails on your Outlook on PC. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do, after log into your Outlook mail, come to the top right here, go ahead and click on File. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Automatic Reply. This dialog box here is going to pop up. Then do not send automatic replies. What you need to do is to switch to send automatic replies. So here you have by default message, thank you for your mail. Please be informed that we receive your mail. You can highlight, you can make it bold. You can also come here and change the font type to another font from your PC. So you can see there are a lot of fonts right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see. So you can switch to any other type font right here as the case may be. So if you want to reduce the size, come to here and go ahead and adjust the size, the font size as the case may be. You can also make it underline. You can also add color fonts right here. You have different color fonts right here. So you can make it red. So just like what you see right here. So you can add as many as possible. You can align. You can do different things in this format right here. Once you are satisfied with the setup, then come down below right here and then go ahead and hit on OK. And it's that simple. So you can see automatic reply is on. Which simply means that each time anyone sends mail to your Outlook mail and you have not replied them or you have not read the mail, they will get this particular auto response in their mail. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Outlook mail, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.